In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Opay. By the end, you'll have the official Opay app safely installed from the Google Play Store on your Android device. We'll keep it simple, clear, and make sure you know exactly what to look for so you get the real app and avoid any lookalikes. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. You'll find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you have many apps, you can swipe up to see all apps and look for the colorful triangle icon labeled Play Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet and have a bit of free storage so the download can complete smoothly. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Opay. We are beyond banking. Take your time to enter it correctly so the right result appears. You should see Opay show up near the top of the results, often with a high number of downloads and solid ratings, which is a good sign you're in the right place. Now, select the official app by Opay Digital Services. This detail is important. On the app's page, the developer name appears just below the app title. It should read Opay Digital Services. If you don't see that exact developer name, go back and double-check your search to avoid unofficial or unreliable versions. You can also glance at the app's screenshots and description to confirm it matches the trusted Opay experience you're expecting. Once you're on the correct app page, tap Install. The download will begin right away. Depending on your connection speed, this may take a few moments. You'll see a progress indicator while it downloads and installs. If your device asks you to confirm your Google account, approve a fingerprint or PIN, or confirm downloading over mobile data, just follow the on-screen prompts to continue. It's best to stay on a stable Wi-Fi connection if possible to speed things up and save data. When the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open, and you'll also find the Opay icon added to your app list. That's it. The app is now successfully downloaded from the official source. If you ever need to revisit these steps, remember, open the Google Play Store. Search for Opay. We are beyond banking. Choose the app by Opay Digital Services and tap Install. Keeping an eye on the exact app name and developer is the key to a safe, straightforward download.